Next up, we got No Cap, Rich and Dangerous. Now, this is gonna be the music video plus the whole little EP he dropped or mixtape, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is the he just dropped whatever the music video. Just a little disclaimer, not disclaimer, but we have Rylo. The first song we didn't heard No Cap drop with Rylo since literally I think Rogerville. I think that's literally the last thing they dropped together, bro. So this is gonna be crazy, you know what I'm saying? Even though I think it's leaked already, like a lot of people were saying it, like half this mixtape was leaked. But whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's new fucking. You feel me? So whatever, bro. Whatever that. Next up, remember the last song I reacted to was Dangerous Girls. Now I literally said in the song, I'm like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not messing with this song. You know what I mean? Like, I ain't gonna sit here and lie. You feel me? I wasn't really messing with it when I first heard it. But like I said, once I played it over and over and over, I low-key fuck with it. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I low-key fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? So if any of these songs I hear first here and it's not like, I ain't gonna say what good, I should say. After I'm gonna just hear it again, you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna end up playing it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna end up playing it. So enough to say though. Anything else to say? EP, No Cap, Rich and Dangerous. Hey, come on. Talk to me, dog. Talk to me, dog.
Yo, this shit crazy.
And this nigga cut his hair. I forgot about it. He cut his hair too. But we don't know why he cut his hair.
Get that bag, get through.
Alright, with the visuals, 4K. It's like I'm looking at this nigga in real life right now. Dior's.
Dying about that money, you know, hustling kills.
Dying about the. Okay, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. We gonna pause. So look, anybody who watching right now, we're going to pause. All right, I'm going to pause a million times. We're gonna dissect these bars. All right, so if you don't want to hear that, you want to hear somebody just go skip to the next video, bro, because it's not it. You know what I mean? It's not it. We're gonna dissect these bars. He said, "Down for this money, you know, hustling kills." All right.
Dying about that money, you know, hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know that I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on
Damn. Wish my nigga would've nice. Damn.
Giving up on being happy cause them devils on me.
Also, yeah, let me know what bars I missed too.
All I know is grab my ratchet every fucking morning. Lambo tie, they grip the street, them bitches hug the corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on them. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. That's why you so emotional.
So I did hear a little bit of this shit, so I like this is the first time reaction. I heard a little bit. I heard like the little chorus.
All that money couldn't save me. They made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous. Yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, labored out the trenches where my heart at. These niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night I pray.
Ooh.
Like a car. We don't have a target. I've been in that labored out the trenches where my heart at. These niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just.
They said these niggas ain't felt no pain. They fake hurt like a car wreck, cause you know when niggas get an accident and like somebody hit you in a car wreck or some shit like that, you try to act like you hurt so you get insurance money and shit like that. Niggas ain't felt no pain. Okay.
Niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night I pray to God that he protect me from that cold cell. Remember I was posted on the wall just like a doorbell.
Damn.
Like a doorbell. Everything changed. Remember Duke was standing right here, pistol in my hand. It take too long to get to my hip. Dying by that money, you know.
Wait, what'd he say? Pistol in my what? My hand?
To get to my hand. It take. Remember Duke was standing right here, pistol in my hand. It take too long to get to my hip. Dying by that money, you know, hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years.
See, one thing about No Cap is like he uses these beats. These beats like. You won't hear Lil Baby use this type of beat, like this slow ass. Like he literally has his own little shit, like this slow ass. It's like fast but slow. Just it's beat kind of remind me of what's the fortune teller. Like even that beat, or cause it's actually a lot of songs. You got just like different type of. It's like just super slower beats. You know what I mean? It's like beats that's not even like you would see like modern day like beats. You know what I mean? Like that's another thing. Like versatile. He could just do modern day beats, slower beats. You know what I mean? It don't matter. It literally don't matter.
Lambo ties, they grip the street, them bitches hard to corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. Is that why you so emotional? All that money couldn't save me, they make me mad enough. Then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous. Yeah, yeah.
This nigga got his 10th fade. Y'all think 10th fade Cap is back? 2019? Yeah, 2019 Cap. Yeah, that's when he dropped Hood Dictionary. Yeah, that's when. Yeah. See, yeah, some of y'all fans, y'all, you know what I mean? Y'all just, but it's okay though. It's okay. Y'all already know back in the day. Yeah.
Yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, rich and.
All right. I think nothing else. Can't get copyrighted. All right. So that's that. Okay, you already heard that song a little bit. Is the rest of the song on her? Okay, here we go. Bro, I want to hear the Rylo song first. Should we just skip to the Rylo song first? I ain't gonna lie. But it's okay. I like to listen to songs the way it is on the album. So Rich and Dangerous, I would say Rich and Dangerous first. So No Other Way. Okay, here we go. This is the first song we haven't heard. All right, here we go.
Hey, nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only
He said this ain't no 223, this is a problem. Okay.
Fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my nigga. That nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol.
Wait, is that a bar? This bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Cause they call a female dog as a bitch. Is that a bar?
That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way
we don't talk on telephone, that's protocol. Okay.
Phones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. My child alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do.
Wait, what did he say? You gonna make my homies rich if you feel some type of way? I don't get that.
You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do. And call the jet, I'm all my haters wanna kill themselves. I suicide my doors. They the reason.
Okay, buddy. All my haters wanna kill myself. Or they kill themselves. I suicide my doors. All right, okay.
I suicide my doors. They the reason why I flex how I do. I only ran it up because of you. That foreign car and Gino Pie make the same sound go skirt. Won't tell they get my time cut. I catch my rat with scissors. But I'ma watch as presidential. But if you run, we come and get you. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. My child alone, it ain't.
So this beat, I don't really know, this beat is okay. I really can't even hear the beat, to be honest. But it's like, you know what I mean? It's like more of a song, like you hear him talking more than the beat. You know what I mean?
No other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. I know they waiting on me to slip up, fall, fumble, whatever. You're a Christian on my feet, walk with the devil. You did that, had
You're a Christian, I walk with the devil, okay.
Did that, had a dream that God picked me up. In the Hellcat, I was always told that.
I had a dream. I think I heard Rylo say that.
Hellcat, I was always told that life's a gamble. You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through demons with them trumpets on us. My youngin' 16 with a.
Wait, 20. What?
You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes.
Oh, I thought Mr. Barker too.
Had a dream that God picked me up. In the Hellcat, I was always told that life's a gamble. You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes.
I was told life is gamble. You can't bet back. Okay.
You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through demons with them trumpets on that.
Oh, 20 bands. That's hard. That's hard. Okay. 20 bands. All right. I caught that. I'm catching. Yeah, I catch it.
You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through demons with them trumpets on that. My youngin' 16 with a body without no school diploma. She a boss bitch, she just want a boss nigga. But she down to fuck just to get you chalk, nigga. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way.
Alright, that was No Other Way. Next up we got, how's it going with Rob 49? I never heard Rob 49. I think he really cool with him and shit like that, so I think I remember. Oh yeah, he did. Yeah. This is one of them leaked songs. Okay.
I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, I drive that Chevy like a rose, mouth full of goals. Rich nigga still a fucking project hoe. I'm sagging cause I got it from.
Rich nigga still probably fucking project hoe. You know, rich projects.
Mouth full of goals. Rich nigga still a fucking project hoe. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. These niggas talk behind my back like I'm the reason they ain't there. I fucked around and ran it up. That's the same reason they stuck. I got too much paper, I made it kinda hard.
I said I fuck around and ran it up. That's the same reason they stuck. Okay. I think that might be a bar, kinda.
I got too much paper, I made it kinda hard to go to war. Let your globe hang out the car. No shit get wet out when I'm out. No cap the hood preacher, got a plug who bless me with that all. My say so fucking big, I think it need a bathroom style. Wake up in the morning, 100K on my dresser. Don't call yourself no op if you ain't applied pressure. I walk on stage fan.
You said don't call yourself op if you ain't apply no pressure. Oh God though.
Just call my name, the streets do too. Free Cortez, he know 3 numbers 762. Why the police take my rifles? I got deals to catch too. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. I try that Chevy like a rose, mouth full of ghosts. Rich nigga still a fucking project hoe.
What about here, Rob 49? Alright, first time listening. Come on, Rob.
I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, 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 that's exactly how this shit been going.
Yeah, that's exactly how this shit been going. I've been in that mode, I'm flipping hoes like I ain't got no girl. Diamonds like broke glass, I'm in the track, all screaming free the trail. Clock it to my left, P pusher, bad.
Alright, so it's kind of hard to hear him a little bit, but not bad though. He ain't like come on the song and fuck it up.
In that mode, I'm flipping hoes like I ain't got no girl. Diamonds like broke glass, I'm in the track, all screaming free the trail. Clock it to my left, P pusher, bad hoe flipper, sell 1,000 pounds of better. Once you say that, can't erase that, better stand on what you feel. I'm in knee deep in this drug life, ain't no nigga gon' bring me silk. From New Orleans, way to BR, we who put holes to the test. 762 is like a missile, oh you love me, give me tatted. I'm cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton, and I'm silent, he ain't tied it.
He said niggas cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton. Okay, buddy.
It's lying, VM, Roger Mafia, I was cutting school with them. Niggas act like they remember. I sold weed, I crack cards, I'm a real hood nigga.
I put an AP on my left wrist.
Alright. Next up we got what? Ain't right. Trying to see if I heard any other of these songs.
D-Hill.
Yeah.
Cut it on every beat, nigga.
Yeah. My wrist right, so my bitch right, my fit right, keep a stick right.
I think I heard. I think.
Right. Where they trap at, we go spin it up. Them niggas broke because of us. That Molly pink like pig skin. Fucking on my bitch friend. Got that Lambo tinted. And put Dracos in it. Niggas, they was with me. I don't know what happened. I had to get rid of bitches. I knew they was choosing. I'm rich, so I'm the
this song. I like this song. I like the beat. Be hard.
The bitches, I knew they was choosing. I'm rich, so on the blame for everybody when they losing. She don't know a song.
And he said, I'm rich, so I'm. That's deep though, cause that's exactly how it is, bro. It's just, if you to run on, if niggas broke, they gonna blame you, bro. You know what I mean? Niggas start going broke, when niggas start doing anything, they gonna blame you.
For everybody when they losing. She don't know a song, but she gon' fuck me cause I'm poppin'. Spent 20 up in demons and I didn't plan on shopping. Top in my lap, girl.
He said, I spit. Damn, I'm trying to get that rich. Nigga said, I won't even, cause that's the same shit, bro. Like, if y'all shop at Target, bro, literally Target is like it's literally a show. I mean, not show. It's literally a store that's just filled with eye candy. You know what I mean? You'll walk in there trying to get look, I just came here just for some soap and I'm leaving. And you would walk out with a basket full of shit, spending $100 there. You know what I mean? It's the same shit, bro. But I'm trying to get that rich though. Shit, spend 20, just not even trying to.
But she gon' fuck me cause I'm poppin'. Spent 20 up in demons and I didn't plan on shopping. Top in my lap, girl, it's a heck. Cortez dunk on them like shit. Don't try to flex something.
Dunk on, okay. That's a little more.
Dunk on them like shit. Don't try to flex something, getting bad. I'm fucking snow bunnies in these cats. Got all these rings on like I'm.
He said I'm fucking snow bunnies in these carrots, okay.
Cats. Got all these rings on like I'm mad. Got all these cute links on my neck. I got a cold heart in my chest. I got an op bitch in my bed. Say that they with it, dodging on the low. I put some no attachments on the pole. We just gon' burn the bridge for them trolls. Niggas didn't see my vision all along.
D-Hill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got to tell on every beat, nigga.
At 5. Yeah. My bitch right. My bitch right. My fit right.
Okay.
Keep it.
I like that. All right. Okay, next up we got what? Back to the basics. All right. So far, first listen, I'll probably give it like a 7 so far. That's the honest. Maybe like a 6.57. Or everything in total. Everything I heard in total. 6.57, you know what I'm saying? I gotta listen to it again. We already know, bro. I already said it. So don't try to come here trying to say whatever, because I'm No Cap, literally my favorite artist. So if I say that, I'm not just trying to be, you know what I mean? So whatever. Back to the basics. I want to hear some more slow beat. Low key.
Alagina on the track.
Yeah. Hey, my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Ay, them niggas ain't ballin', they just sit on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference.
This nigga, I've never heard this nigga. What the fuck? Hold on, bro. This should sound like something though. I think I've heard this before, like this type of flow. That shit is funny though. I've never heard no cats rap like this. Okay, go ahead. Lock in. Hey, my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Ay, them niggas ain't ballin', they just sit on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference. They gon' have to burn me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet. I ain't into this. That bitch Keisha got some good head. Pay for her tuition. And if ooh, good head, tuition. Okay. I heard. Oh, that's hard.
Pay for her tuition. And if she mad a couple grand, I put a smile on her face. Free my nigga out the can. I spend bands on this case. They ain't billing shit for some.
Hold on, I wasn't listening.
And if she mad a couple grand, I put a smile on her face. Free my nigga out the can. I spend bands on this case. They ain't billing shit for somebody to take it. God know that I'ma sell and spin and I be praying. Hold up, PTB.
You said I'm a prayer, okay.
Spin and I be praying. Hold up, PTB, you know we protecting the brand. Hold up, too much walking, me can't tell what I be saying. Yo niggas train to go, mine train to kill. Me and shot a clip.
Your niggas trying to go. Oh, that's hard. Cause niggas started like my niggas on go. Okay, that's hard. My niggas is praying to kill. No cap.
Hold up, too much walking, me can't tell what I be saying. Yo niggas train to go, mine train to kill. Me and shot it close, but I don't wanna feel a veneers. Tell Sky one.
What'd he say?
Shot it close, but I don't wanna feel a veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm slipping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't.
The nigga said, I got 4 dicks in his. What the
dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I
Is that a porn star? Is that a porn star continuation bar?
like a porn star. Think that I'm slipping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't wait until I shake these papers. I'm down to whoop that hoe, she cheats, so now she think I'm crazy. Right through my bill with a stick, right back to the basics. I'm down to catch a tip to lose, police should've tased me. All about my green like the Hulk, I'm so incredible. I came out there.
Oh wow, that's hard. All about my green. That's a hold on, bro. I might have put that in my notes. I ain't gonna lie. That's a caption. That is a caption. What'd he say? All of my green. What? I'm so incredible.
Right back to the basics. I'm down to catch a tip to lose. Police should've tased me. All about my green like the Hulk. I'm so incredible. I came out that gutter 12, know what's in my area. Say she from Virgin Islands. I still fuck on the first night. Country boy, money riding, Pop Willis on the dirt bike. Shawty should thank me for real. I took her out the projects. Don't worry, I'm at my lowest, so I'ma sip this high tech. These niggas,
I'm at my lowest. Okay.
bitches go to jail insane. His name should be Melody. When I squeeze it, I want. Shawty should thank me for real. I took her out the projects. Don't worry, I'm at my lowest, so I'ma sip this high tech. These nigga bitches go to jail insane. His name should be Melody. When I squeeze it.
Oh, okay, that's hard.
Should be Melody. When I squeeze it, I won't fucking stop. That's just my adrenaline. I know they aiming at my head too. Hey, you know my legacy. If they pick me up, I keep quiet. That's just my niggas. They be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that. Good head, pay for her too.
All right. What we got next is Rylo next? Oh, we got stay on line. Everybody ready for the Rylo one? We're ready to do. Okay. He know putting Rylo as the last one was. He know that.
Algina on a track.
Standing on live.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
Believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. And they always asking us why. We post on that block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga spirit. All this jury on up on my.
Whoa, hold on, that was hard.
Block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga spirit.
Damn.
All this jury on up on my lawyer with me. Soon I told them no, them.
Oh, okay. This might be my favorite song. Okay, hold on.
Facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga spirit. All this jury on up on my lawyer with me.
All this jury on, put my lawyer with me because they jury in court. They got a jury. That's hard.
Up on my lawyer with me.
Yeah.
Soon I told them no, them niggas went to dissing.
Yeah.
Only thing that showed me they was never with me. Hey, problems in my cup, I mixed the soda with it. Had to stop giving my
Problems in my cup. Let me say, okay. That's not real bar.
soda with it. Had to stop giving my trust, I barely know these bitches. She took too many pictures, first time I flew her out. She won't see me again, cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake is in, played to win and lost. I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card.
Whoa, what? A 50
Played to win and lost. I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card.
I need a 50 to see me. I ain't talking about Titans. I don't get that.
To talk, a 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy taught me 2 things, don't follow the hype or the trend. So they gon' die trying to be something they ain't. I made a call after I pulled the paint. I told the God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now them boys trying to get home with the work. Long as I'm risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they would change, but I didn't see my homies folding. I got so damn rich that I can burn what they owe me. I got so damn lit that they gon' burn me if they can. Standing in the rain with a gun in my hand, with a bulletproof umbrella. I wonder why these niggas.
Damn. Bulletproof umbrella. I like that.
I wonder why these niggas believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. they always asking us why. We post on that block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we face
Alright, I fuck with this one. This is probably my favorite song. Like,
in jail time.
alright.
Trying to get home with the world. Don't get to burn me if they can. Standing in the rain.
Alright, last one is Rylo and No Cap tied in. Okay. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Come on. They said it was leaked though. Think. I never heard it. I might have heard it. I might have heard like the chorus. If I ain't heard the chorus, then I don't know the song. I don't know this.
On the line, I'm feeling like a tight end. For my darkest times, I just go at bright lens. I go through it like.
For my darkest time, I go bright lens. Okay. You put it on the line like a tight end. Okay.
For my darkest times, I just told you that AP came plain Jane. I'm screaming all up, boy.
I think I remember that. I think I remember that bar. Okay, I'm fucking with it though. I fuck with it. Okay. Bet.
I'm just wanna say hello to the other side. Pocket full of dead guys, backwood full of dead eyes. Casamigo hollow tips, we gon' give them number shots.
Oh shit! He just started going in. Hold on, I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that.
Rylo lost it, we gon' give them
number
number
shots. Oh shit.
Brother told the CO don't have no rap for his selling. He on the phone the first time he heard global telling. We smoke, we ride banana clips, but know these fruits are deadly.
Okay. Banana clips, fruit is deadly. Okay. Hold on, bro. We already know, bro. No, with Rylo, you're not gonna understand what the fuck he's saying. So we have to. Okay. All right.
We ride banana clips, but know these fruits are deadly. One to his melon, so now he life is in the paramedics.
He said we different. We spark ski masks. Like what?
I'm on the pro different. Sometimes we rock ski masks. I coach him, but I'm
like a coach. What the fuck?
We rock ski masks. I coach him, but I'm shooting too like Steve Nash. I was QB. So no cap to help me find a way in. I fucked her then walk past her, so she text me, amen.
Oh my fucking god! It's no way to say that shit. He talking about I fucked her up. She told her, hey man, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Pastor. I fucking walked past her. She texted me, amen. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow.
The way my life was planted, who think that I succeed? The way my life was drew, I can't get a breeze. I don't have no one to
Drew Brees.
I succeed. The way my life was drew, I can't get a breeze. I don't have no one to call on. Ain't talking Creed. He play, we put
call on talking Creed. I didn't watch Creed.
Who think that I succeed? The way my life was drew, I can't get a breeze. I don't have no one to call on. Ain't talking Creed. He play, we put him on a shirt, and that's guaranteed. White go
T guaranteed. Okay. We catching them. I'll probably miss a couple, but we catching these.
Call on, ain't talking Creed. He play, we put him on a shirt, and that's guaranteed. The game, I'm fly as hell, and they ain't gotta walk through TSA.
Fly as hell, TSA. We heard that 1,000 times.
It got way too many kicks, look like the MMA.
I think he posted this.
Kicks look like the MMA. Julio Jones.
I tightened the rope. Julio Jones.
Don't you? You screenshot me on your FaceTime. Take a jewelry box and piss on your watch every minute. I thought that you can waste time.
Watch time? Okay. Wait, I think he said something about nut though. What?
FaceTime. Take a jewelry box and piss on your watch every minute. I thought that you can waste time.
I think, okay. I don't know. Y'all gotta explain this shit, bro. Y'all gotta explain this.
She ain't by Sunny Tombstone. We find the site, cut the grass high. She gon' know your eyebrow, but she couldn't afford a damn right. No. For my darkest times, I just got
right. Oh, this was No Cap. The main bird mixtape. He said he has some few samples that he didn't put on here because of it didn't get clear yet. So he said he gonna put it on the actual album. He gonna drop probably like next year. Uh, Probably this summer, low key. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this so far. I love y'all. I'm out.